how many of you were able to catch someone? Okay.
Oh, not catch someone?
Catch someone trying to steal.
You didn't. You said you like Hannah.
Yeah.
No. I got someone.
Okay.
I got you. Remember it was holding me.
How were you able to catch her? How do you know where she was?
By smelling.
By smelling.
No.
That was your sense. That was your strongest sense.
Hey, what's on that wall?
That was,
Listening
guys,
to
pay
Mommy?
attention. That was your strongest sense, your smell?
Yeah.
Yeah? You knew where she was just by smelling her.
Yeah, she smells bad.
Okay, what did you use?
Well, to catch Saba or Frama, it was one or the other. First of all, she cheated.
Hey.
First of all, I felt their big shoes.
Okay, what do you mean you felt?
Cause like they were right next to me.
Yeah?
So like.
So you felt the
especially-
air change.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I felt someone's fat shoes. It was Frama. And it obviously couldn't have been Moshe's.
Okay.
So
So what else did you use?
that's it. I only got one turn.
What did you use
I
when you got
Wait.
one turn? How did you know how to protect the
How
hat?
did you know Moshe wasn't there?
By hearing.
By hearing.
By hearing. What animal uses only their hearing? They don't use their sight at all because they're blind.
Bats?
Bats.
Oh my
Bats
God.
use an echo. How does it work? Basically, when we create noise, we create a wave, right? It's called a wave. It's a physical term. All right? We shoot out a wave from our mouth, from our vocal cords, out to the air. What happens when that wave of sound hits something?
Echo!
It bounces back.
That's
Okay?